Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer internationally on Scotia Bank, and this is actually very easy. At first, head over to your Scotia Bank app, and then when you click on transfer at the very bottom, from there it says make a transfer, so we're going to choose on that, and then you'll see at the bottom it says send money internationally, so click on that one. After that, we're going to choose bank deposit, and then you have to click on agree, like check everything if you have any other issues, but usually we'll just agree with the terms and click on continue. And then in 2, you're gonna click on search contacts and then put the contact, or you could also like add a new contact and put the details in manually. And from would be you, so choose which account you want. For now we're going to do this account, and then select the purpose, which could be anything, let's say investment in real estate. And then it says that you can either enter the amount of your transaction in CAD or the currency that it's being converted to. So let's say you want to send any amount, and it will automatically say what they're going to be receiving, and click on continue. Review everything one more time, and then you're going to click on slide to send, and after that it will say that your money has been sent, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.